What's up, Frontline Gang? It's your boy Magellan here, and today, in honor of No Shave November, I'm gonna teach you guys how to grow a beard with my super secret beard growth oil. Alright, stay tuned, let's get it. I'm going to show you how to make a super simple beard growth oil at home, because I know the ones that they sell on the internet at your local store, they tend to be really expensive, like $50 or $60 for 1 month supply. None of that here. I'm going to show you guys how to make this beard growth oil with just 2 ingredients that'll cost you maybe $30 top, which will last you for the entire year. Now, to make this oil, we're going to be using 2 components. It's also important to understand that one of the components is going to be called the carrier oil. Now, this comprises of 90% of the contents of the bottle. The other 10% is the essential oil. Now, for the primary carrier oil, we're going to be using take a wild guess, black seed oil, right? If you don't know what black seed oil is, make sure you check out the video. I'll link it above, and you'll find out why it was so fundamental to my transformation journey. Now, the secondary component of this is going to be the essential oil, and for this, you get to choose what you want. For the essential oil, you can pick any type of essential oil. Now, the reason you want to use this, it does help add more therapeutic effect, but it also helps mask the disgusting smell of black seed oil. It tends to put people off. So for me, I personally use lavender oil, lavender essential oil, but I know a lot of people that I've introduced it to that have been using mint. Now, to mix these oils up, you're going to need a very specific container, and that's going to be an amber colored bottle. See, now if I dropped that, that would have been hilarious, right? Reason why you want to specifically use an amber colored glass bottle is because if you use something like plastic, what's going to happen is the essential oils are going to slowly deteriorate the plastic, and it's going to get mixed in with the oil, and you're going to be applying that to your biggest commodity, which is your face. I'm just kidding, I meant personality, but face is important too. Now you're probably saying, Magellan, why do we have to use an amber colored bottle? Can I just use a clear bottle? No, don't do that either, right? Now, the reason you want to use an amber colored bottle is because it helps block sunlight from further breaking down the oil. This means it'll extend the shelf life of the oil you're creating, because this is liquid gold. This is what is gonna get us the women or men, because we accept everybody here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bottle, you're gonna fill it about 90% of the way with black seed oil. The other 10%, you're gonna use the essential oil of your choice. Like I said, I personally like lavender. It reminds me of like good memories, summer, the first girl I kissed. If my mom's watching this, we did not kiss. We held hands. After you mix the oils together in the bottle, you make sure you give it a thorough shake, just really mix it up. And then afterwards, right, you're gonna take about 30% of the pipette. Now, I already applied my oil for the day, but I feel like you subscribers deserve a live presentation because I love y'all, and I've been slacking with my posting for a while, so I'm gonna do it. But anyway, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this 30% and you're gonna apply it thoroughly to where you want the beard to grow, right? Squeeze it on, apply it evenly, right? I applied it all over, like that. Beautiful. And then afterwards, you're gonna massage it in with your hand, right? I like to use circular motions. I feel like that really helps the beard absorb the oils, and including the hair follicles, because that's important as well. I bet you guys are getting free ASMR with my beard sound. You're welcome. Now, after that, you want a neat beard. So once your beard starts growing, you have the oil in, you're gonna want to get one of these bad boys. These beard combs, they mean the world to me, right? They're gonna help your beard look nice and even, and it's gonna help distribute the oil throughout the hair evenly, right? Always comb down. You don't want to really comb up, because it's going to make your beard look all wiry and disgusting, and don't do that. And just like that, boom, done. Simple, beautiful, easy. After you apply the oil, make sure you do not wash it off. I like to apply it before bedtime, because this way it has a large amount of time to absorb into the skin. And most of the time when I wake up, there's literally no more oil left on my face and beard. It's all been absorbed, and my beard is nice and soft and well textured. All right, so now you guys know how to make my super simple and super secret beard recipe. So don't waste any time. Utilize it. Make the oil today. Apply it today. Let's make this No Shave November the best, the most epic No Shave November ever. and let's grow some manly beards. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below because I'll be putting out a ton of new content. And you're wondering, hey, how come you didn't put out content before? How come you didn't do all that? Well, it's because I made a huge move from one country to the other, and I couldn't get my camera equipment because of Miss Rona, right? So now that I have everything and now that I have some free time, I'll be making new content often. Let's use these tricks and tips that I'm teaching you on my channel, and let's make 2020 the best year ever. I know it's really hard because of all the stuff that went down, but we have like a month left, 2 months left to try to, make up for it, right? So let's get these gains, baby. I'm out.